Okay, mRNA is closed. It's not triggered yet, but I'm still interested in that short under 16,935. And DKNG is coming down. Looking for a new low, and there will be my partial.
Okay, beautiful move, DKNG. Great. Covering right here at 93. First partial DKNG, half the trade off.
mRNA is closed. I'm short mRNA. DKNG new low, great. About to take my partial in DKNG. It's the next spike down. It's already is spiking down. Let's see how far can it go now. The low is 71. One more move under the lows. Come on. Maybe I shouldn't. And this is stake earlier. Okay, I'm taking my partial here. That's what it should be. I mean, it should continue, but that's not the way I trade. I like to put the risk behind me. I do not like to wait for a pullback and then, risk in a change of direction or whatever comes. I mean, DKNG should continue. That's why I have small size. Should have taken my partial earlier. It was a mistake not taking it the first time it came down. Just small size to continue, making sure I'm on the green side, and that cannot change anymore with DKNG. That's it. Market is holding to the highs quite a lot of time. If it did want to continue higher, should have done that by now. So I'm still expecting a failure here, which should push mRNA and ZM to a new low. Tesla touching new highs.
Okay, traders, NKLA 2460 here on the move higher, long 2460.
ZM stop is going to be over 490, and the market's making a new high. I'm going to stop ZM over 490. I'm out of ZM, having losing trade in ZM. Okay, still riding mRNA, one winner, one loser. However, my loser in ZM is bigger than my winner in DKNG. That's why I'm red for now. Looking at Boeing BA, 168.50 for a short. Airlines are coming down. So just in case Boeing will move under 168.50, it should be a continuation. mRNA is slowly approaching the lows. Yeah, Nelson. Now, I don't know what's going on with Tesla. It's too extended to the upside. I was kind of surprised to see it moving to new highs. Definitely not interested in taking that risk. mRNA just moved to a new low. Good. BA Boeing slowly approaching. The 168.50 should be it. I'm short BA. BA stop is 169.15 or so. DKNG, new low, good. And I do see the failure, possibly the failure. I was looking for the market. Do remember, the market started with a big gap up. It's not likely to continue. It's more likely to come down. I mean, not likely to close the gap or anything. I mean, maybe it will. But some kind of a selling pressure should be during the first 30 minutes or
Traders,
so.
NKLA stop loss is going to be $24. DKNG still coming down. Still coming down.
And I wouldn't mind shorting ZM again under 486.50. I want to post it, especially if the market is going to fail.
DKNG looks like it wants more downside here now. And NKLA going to come out of here at 24 if we break it with a loss. NKLA.
I'm still in Boeing. It kind of spiked up. I'm waiting for it to cool down before I move out. Let me see the reason why it should spike up like it did. Small sign of reversal and I'll be out. Okay. I do have the reversal now in Boeing. That's going to continue if it moves over 45.
Still holding on NKLA.
So a bit more than I planned, but I had to see this technical formation here, which I'm not sure it is a technical formation right now, but if it moves over 45, I'll be out.
Elena, BMY. Let me take a look at BMY. Really not a lot of volume. What were you thinking, 58? Yeah, on the short side, for sure. It's down for the day in an otherwise up market. 58.30 maybe, just not a big mover. Check out BBY, okay. Yeah, I love it, 114. And the only problem with BBY today is there's lack of volume here. Nice move up, good pattern. I love the pattern. 114 break of the whole number, looks great. Just not a lot of volume. Still holding NKLA. There goes DraftKings, DKNG, moving more downside here. We'll target around 60 bucks.
We're getting to the 1 point mark in DKNG. It's good. mRNA has done nothing wrong. It still is trending lower. BA definitely done something wrong. I mean, the way it just moved over the recent time means it's technically uptrending, but you need to take a look at the last 3 1-minute candles. Look at these topping tails here and look at the way it bounced from the recent high. Although I did plan my stop at 169.15, I did the right thing of waiting until it will cool down. You never move out on a one green candle spy. You just wait for some kind of a reversal. However, it is uptrending now. That means that it could easily stop here and move over the recent high. That's when I will need to move out. And my new stop now can be over 169.40. Because if it's going to move over 169.40, it's likely to continue to a new high.
Okay, traders still in the NKLA trade, still short DKNG. I'm wondering SQ right now, if we continue on 177.20, I'll take a small share size here on SQ, long over 177.20, and I'll add over 177.50 here on SQ. Yeah, I like the trade, I really do. Anything over $61 on DKNG, I'll come out of the rest of the trade here. I'm not going to hang out here very long.
Okay, guys, who took JKS with me? Okay, posted it for the first time, 2 points up. Still full size after I headed twice in Jinko Solar. So extended, still full size. It's still green, 1% up. Pinto, take a look on the daily chart of Jinko Solar, JKS. We can wait till the end of the day, I think. Such an extended daily chart, so. Want to see JKS in the red zone.
If you're in the SQ trade, here, watch it, 177.50, 177.50. I will add to this trade on SQ. Target's going to be closer to 178, maybe 179. This is a breakout, all-time high breakout on SQ.
BA stop sadly triggered. I'm out of BA. Now I've got 2 losers, 1 winner, and mRNA still riding. What did you just take, Scott? SQ?
Just take SQ, yep. The 177.20. I'm going to add right here 177.50. You can even take it at 177.50 on this breakout here. Okay, added. $176.50, maybe a little bit. 176 is going to be my stop loss here. Target 178 for the partial.
At this new low here in DKNG, I'm reducing more size. Just covered some more DKNG. You realize are coming down. Why does BA move higher?
Amazing. Plug is really rocking.
Yeah, Apple just moved over the highs. Apple looking good, but you can't buy it right now. It's too extended. Maybe on the pullback. Need to come back to the area of 114.40 maybe for you to buy. BA took me out so many times on nothing. And I do see the airlines coming down. I gotta have another trade though, under 168.50. And the S&P did pull back from the highs. One and a half point in DKNG.
And it goes.
Beautiful
And it
breakdown
goes.
from break-up formation for beyond traders BY and D, but I don't trust the market to continue higher. That's why I will not join. But if you're interested in a long trade, look at the BY and D. For example, if you think I'm wrong about market direction, because I'm still expecting the market to come down under the lows. And if you think I am wrong, BY and D right now looks nice.
They're still holding on to NKLA here. I know it's right at the $24 mark.
You were right about ZM, Scott.
Yeah, I'm watching it here as well.
mRNA is also approaching my stop, which should be 69.65. This one hasn't done anything wrong, just going sideways. So far. Nasdaq just moved over the highs, but that doesn't count. The S&P counts, but it could be a sign.
S&P working on a nice green candle on the 5-minute here. Could be breaking out here, this 339 or 337 area on the SPY. Still biased to the upside from the move this morning. See if any of these stocks catch up. Okay, traders, GAN, I'm going to be taking 1950.
mRNA is back to green territory. Still looking fine.
$19 stop loss. Still in the NKLA trade, absolutely. 2460 was my entry.
BA should fail. I'm watching the airlines. Yes, AMD is definitely beautiful. Intraday is, of course, too extended, but should be followed.
Yeah, NKLA's got a ways to go, though. It really does. Overall, SPY is not breaking out here.
Not yet.
No. And KLA starting to come back, traders. GAN, no trade, GAN.
BA is trending higher, but I don't trust it. Trusted it to come down, I failed, of course, but I can't, I don't feel like I can click the long button. Definitely trending higher, but I'm waiting for a failure. Let's take a look at MKLA. I don't think long is a good idea. It's clearly trending lower. NKLA is under a lot of selling pressure today. It came down, closed the gap, and continued. So, in my opinion, it's just a pullback now. But again, technically speaking, it should come down. Look at 5-minute candles. It's probably a little bit more clear. Let's see NVIDIA. NVIDIA is way too extended to the upside. I don't see any opportunity here. DKNG new low. DOG is definitely on the uptrend today, and your entry point is quite right. In fact, I think it should be a little bit higher, maybe 107.10, 107.20, just to make sure it continues its uptrend. It looks fine, and the S&P just moved over the highs. So my plan to short something if the S&P comes down is probably gone. Yeah, Tesla is uptrending. What's going on with BBBY? Uber is trying to make up its mind what it's going to do today. You know, the market's up, the S&P is up 1.4%, Nasdaq is up 1.8%, but if you take a look at Uber today, it's at 0. Yeah, the daily looks beautiful, but I don't think it's going to happen today. Not likely. I mean, the fact that the stock is at 0 right now doesn't look that good. Well, let's take a look at Baba. Strange enough, I didn't trade this stock for wow, that looks like a beautiful breakdown formation. Okay, I'm going to short it under the lows. You're right. 287.48, may not have the time to post it, traders. Baba under the lows. Posted. Don't trigger yet. It is indeed a beautiful breakdown formation. Don't see much on the daily for that, but well, can't argue with the intraday. Put that into my chart.
I'm coming out of 200 more shares of the DKNG trade, DKNG right here. And there's 200 shares left. And coming up to the gain trade, GAN, as posted, 1950 entry to the long side here, GAN.
Something's wrong with my Baba chart all of a sudden. I am short Baba. Do have a chart problem here, but I am short Baba. Baba's doing well. Target should be under 287. mRNA is still going sideways. Baba's about to come down under 287, getting ready for a partial. Come on. Come on, Baba. Here comes 287. And we're under. Come on, one more spike down. Nice move. If it looks like it's going to move over 95, I'm going to click. I want to go for a pullback here. I'll be happy with this nice move down here. Good. Took my partial. Beautiful. Oh, thank you for pointing out Baba Mark. I needed that winner.
Okay, traders watching DKNG breaking 59 here. I'm still in the NKLA trade, and that's it.
mRNA is back to green territory. Let's hope it's going to come down under the lows now. It's definitely under some pressure. Although the market's moving higher, it's holding near the lows.
Okay, guys, I'm still in BE. Want to add above the 1750, and I'm still full size in the JKS, waiting for it to move lower. Still green in the JKS, but I thought it will move sharply lower by now. And BE looks amazing. Above the 7050, let's hope it will explode.
Traders, new stop loss on, or stop on DKNG is going to be 60. Otherwise, I'm just going to let it run back down here. No trade on GAN and still in the NKLA trade. You're at 2460. SPY at the high of the day. Plug power, Nawin. Plug. Yep, that's about to break out as well.
Beautiful breakout in BE, Yogi.
BNTX, Sam. Let me take a look here. Plug moving higher, breaking out now.
Come
Wow,
on,
guys,
mRNA,
BE.
new low.
What a breakout in BE.
Yep. Close to 18 now on BE.
But JKS is moving against me. I'm still green, but I was up almost 3 grand in JKS, and now I'm up 400, so I needed to move lower. And BE, I think I'll wait with my first target, maybe above 18. A lot of short sellers in BE. Okay, I think I will take my first target in BE to lock some profits. very strong breakout. Let's wait to 1780. Okay, and I'm pressing the button. BE, good trade. Now, because I took my first target in BE, it probably will break the 18 and will move to 19 today.
Now let me take a look at NEO. I did not see NEO today all day. NIO. Wow, green to red move. NVDA about